Slugs and snails tend to like to eat the leaves of your plants, but if you have your plants in a plant pot, you can stop that by using Vaseline. All you have to do is apply the Vaseline around the top of the plant pot, and the snails don't like the smell of it, so they tend to keep away. And because it's waterproof, if you have rain, it doesn't wash it off. But you'll notice I'm using a paper towel to apply this Vaseline, because with it being waterproof, you can't get it off your hands. Plenty of soapy water usually does it after a couple of washes, but so I use the paper towel method. Super easy, and because the snails don't like the smell, they don't go anywhere near it, so the snails aren't harmed. So that's my easy way to remedy snails eating your plants.